Hey guys, my name's Tanner, and I'm the skincare lead for Sephora St. John's. And today I'm going to take you through my secrets for preventative aging for a nighttime routine for normal to oily skin. So if you want to learn how to balance and treat your skin, stay tuned. Okay, so our first step is going to be the Lancome Bifacil Double Action Eye Makeup Remover. So I go ahead and I make sure to shake up the product, and we're going to go in and gently apply this with a Shiseido facial cotton to remove all traces of makeup. I love to use this on my eye area since it goes in and easily breaks down any kind of waterproof mascara or stubborn makeup, and it prevents you from tugging too harshly on that fragile eye area. This is one of my favorite waterproof removers because it also doesn't leave any kind of residue on the lids or under eye area. So our next product is going to be the Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt-Away Cleansing Balm with Echinacea Green Envy. I absolutely love this product. It is a nourishing blend of oils and extracts that provides a deep cleanse and removes even the most stubborn makeup. It also contains an echinacea complex, which I love because it helps to go in and promote an evenly toned complexion. So that's amazing when we're going in and preventing any kind of damage or hyperpigmentation to the skin. So I warm this up on the palms of my hands and gently apply all over the skin. I love to do this dry because it really helps to break down the makeup on application. So I'm just going to go in and rinse away any makeup residue with this damp towel just to make sure we're removing all excess. So our next product is going to be the Korres Greek Yogurt Foaming Cream Cleanser. This is an amazing cleanser because it's actually a cream to foam and it is soap-free, containing antibacterial properties just to keep the skin smooth and texture-free. This is amazing for even the most sensitive skin and eyes and is both ophthalmologist and dermatologist tested, so you can feel completely safe using it all over that gentle eye area. Greek yogurt is also known to contain probiotics, which support a clear and healthy complexion. So we're just going to go in and remove any remaining lather. So this is the Sun & Park Beauty Water. I absolutely love this little gem. It is a 3-in-1 multitasking toner, cleansing water, and gentle exfoliator. It is the perfect makeup prep step due to its clarifying and balancing properties. I love to use my Shiseido facial cotton, again, to sweep this light, refreshing formula all over my face and neck. So next is going to be Sunday Riley's UFO Ultra Clarifying Face Oil. I do tend to break out a little bit hormonally during that time of the month, and this is something that has been a godsend to go in and smooth back out my texture. So I love to apply about 1 to 2 drops, and I do target it in the areas I need it most. We're just going to gently pat this right into the skin, preventing any tugging or pulling. This keeps the skin as firm for as long as possible. So this is Korres Black Pine 3D Sculpting, Firming, and Lifting Super Eye Serum. This is an amazing product for the eyes. It's an innovative combination of natural actives and black pine polyphenols to help visibly lift and firm the eye area. You can use it all over 360, and it can be used on the eyelid as well. It helps to go in and improve the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and any kind of darkness under the eye. So next we have the Murad Retinol Youth Renewal Serum. This is an amazing, potent retinol serum that quickly corrects uneven texture and tone while boosting radiance for more youthful-looking skin. For those of you that don't know, retinol is a form of vitamin A and is commonly called the gold standard for anti-aging ingredients. This specific serum is powered by triactive retinol technology, meaning it contains a fast-acting retinoid, a time-release retinol, and a retinol booster, giving you everything you need for a clear and smooth complexion. Next is going to be our Drunk Elephant C Tango Multivitamin Eye Cream. I'm sure you've heard of this one, and if you haven't, you definitely need to give it a try. It is a rich and restorative AM/PM eye cream that features a smoothing combination of 8 peptides and 5 different forms of vitamin C. It also has potent antioxidants, plant oils, and soothing actives that refresh and restore. It is also free of silicones and fragrance. We're going to gently apply this all over with our ring finger in a patting motion to prevent any pulling or tugging on that fragile eye area, and we're going to skip the lid on this one. So for the next step, we're actually going to be using two products. We're going to go in with the Murad Nutrient Charged Water Gel and the Isle of Paradise Self Tanning Drops in Dark. I love both of these products together. You get the anti-aging out of your Murad Moisturizer and the beautiful glow out of the Isle of Paradise. This nutrient-charged water gel is a lightweight, oil-free gel moisturizer that has been proven to increase moisture retention for up to 5 days. It also helps to strengthen the skin's barrier to prevent water loss while plumping and smoothing. I'm just gonna go in and add between 3 and 12 drops into my gel moisturizer. I'm using about 4 here, and I have found that if I concentrate the bulk of the product on my forehead and neck area, it prevents any unwanted buildup around the mouth, because nobody likes a self-tanner mustache. Isle of Paradise are custom-made self-tanning drops that allow you to control your glow. They took a unique color-correcting approach to self-tanning to help even the skin tone for the most natural tan possible. So our last step is going to be the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. This Berry Delight is a leave-on lip mask that soothes and moisturizes for smoother, more supple lips overnight. It is enriched with vitamin C and antioxidants for a nutritiously sweet and fragrant blend. Okay, that's it, guys. So this is definitely the extended version of my nighttime routine, but by adding just a few key ingredients, you can both balance and treat your skin and prevent it from any kind of premature aging. So thanks so much for sticking around. If you want to like, comment, or subscribe, definitely do so, and leave any questions or discoveries you may have had while watching the video below. I'd love to answer back. And if you want to keep up with me and my life, you can follow me at Era Carta. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you again soon.